In this video, I will show you how you can make payments on FNB app to Capitec Bank. So first of all, you need to simply open the FNB app on your smartphone and simply log in with your credential. Then you just need to select the payment from the main menu. You can tap on the payment options. The next step is you need to choose the beneficiary. If you have the Capitec account saved as a beneficiary, you need to select it. If not, you can also add a new beneficiary by entering the Capitec account bank details. Once you do so, next step is you need to enter the payment details, input the amount that you wish to transfer, and make sure to select the immediate payments so that the transfers are transferred instantly. The last step is confirm and authorize. You can review the payment details and confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your remote PIN or use biometric authentication to authorize the payment. Once confirmed, the payment should be processed immediately. So this was the process of how you can do immediate payments on FNB app to Capitec.